So I just want to do a quick walkthrough for the Lab Stormboard. First, in terms of hookups, you can see here, these are all of your power in. So it's important to mind the polarity of your positive and your ground. Also down here, we have a left output, a mixed output, and a right output. Some Thunderbolts are more using the right channel of audio, some are using more the left channel of audio. So that'll be reflected with how the light is bright on each of those. If you only have one LED array, just hook it up to mixed, and that'll basically join across the right and left outputs to sort of do an averaging brightness from the lightning bolt, non-directional. Here we have the audio input. This is a standard 3.5 millimeter stereo jack. You should be able to plug from there and then go out into whatever amplifier you like. The main two buttons you're going to be using are the distance and the intensity. The distance is the separation between the lightning and the thunder. And so lightning comes first, thunder comes afterwards. The more you dial that to the right, the bigger that delay is, simulating lightning strikes further away. Intensity is how frequent lightning strikes are. Sort of think of that as the time between strikes on average. And so with this one, as you dial it to the right clockwise, there are more time in between your lightning strikes on average. For adjusting the intensity, you may have to sort of unplug and replug the Stormboard in if you do big changes in intensity. It just takes time for the software to adjust to a big change that way. And so if you just power off, power back on with the new intensity setting, it'll probably work better for you. And then I have two small dials here and here for adjusting the sensitivity. And so you'll see these light bars going up and down with all of your lightning bolts. And this is basically how likely a given sound level is to generate a lightning flash. And so you can, if you want there to be flashes with lower noises, you're going to dial it until you have more and more of the red light. If you want to have less lightning flash for a relatively loud noise, you're going to dial it the other direction so that the red lines, when they don't bounce quite as high. So you can adjust those things. Those are pretty much the only pieces that you'll need to adjust in managing the Stormboard.